We have an excellent show for you today. We have two outstanding members of our community. Two folks have started a business that's highly needed in Las Cruces. And Toby, tell us what's on. Can you talk to us a little bit about the folks from A New You?
Well, John, I want to thank you, and I want to thank our members out there. Again, this is such a privilege to be out on the TV for the Hispano Chamber of Commerce so that we can bring in members from our membership and community members at large. And we have A New You, which is Dr. Daniel Garcia and Jodie Hale are here today. And A New You is a chiropractic, massage, and skincare. And I think that's something that we all could use a little bit of.
Oh, definitely. I know definitely Amanda can use it because she gets a lot of stress from Toby Rue and John Munoz and the rest of the board of directors, right?
Oh, definitely.
So this is kind of a neat concept here. Dr. Daniel Garcia, now, your friends, actually all your patients, they call you Dr. Danny. Dr. Danny, sure. I think it's more comfortable. It's Dr. Daniel Garcia sounds so formal, so scary, and you make your patients feel very comfortable. When I think of a chiropractor, I think pain, because you go in there, you get adjusted. That sounds kind of rough. Is that a old wives' tale or a Toby tale? Or
yeah.
Is that reality? Is it not? Because
oftentimes it's a common misconception, but the chiropractic care can be very gentle and very effective. There's very different techniques out there that chiropractors can use that we also use in our facility. Kind of depends on what the patient is comfortable with. We usually go with that, whether they like more manual adjusting or whether they like more instrument style adjusting. So we really leave it up to the patient and let them decide, and all the techniques are pretty effective.
Okay. So someone who hasn't been to a chiropractor, this would be their first time going, no reason to be scared. Right?
Not at all.
You can go in there, you're going to feel better. Actually, you do yourself more good by going in, taking care of yourself. I mean, I've heard things, and you're the expert. You probably know better than all of us. I've heard it's good for headaches, even sinuses, I guess. If you're, and that's, so again, this is a field that I'm not too terribly familiar. Actually, I'm not at all any medical. I mean,
sure.
I just take ibuprofen and that's as far as my medical extent.
Well, John, I'd like to add to that. I mean, there are many areas of the healthcare field.
Absolutely.
I mean, we have internists, we have specialists. So the chiropractic is actually another facet of just part of your healthcare team. Is that correct?
Sure, absolutely. All forms of healthcare have their place in the healthcare profession to help you with various conditions. And chiropractic is just one of those more natural type of fields.
And Dr. Daniel, I'd like to ask you a very serious question. Sure. Will this make Toby taller?
We could try, but I won't make any promises.
Is there an extra charge for that? I would think that's a
If I'm successful, maybe.
Okay. Now, one of the things here, Toby, let's talk about this here. So the chiropractor, it takes care of kind of. Makes you better on the inside. You feel better. You walk better, I guess, sit better. Then you have the services, where there's, massage. So you take care of kind of the muscle, skeletal issues, and then you have, skincare, right? And maybe this is something that both Jodie you can talk about, and Dr. Danny, it's almost like a complete picture. It's a 360, right?
It definitely is. It really is. You heal yourself inside and then outside.
Right.
And I'm very passionate about what I do. I suffered greatly with acne as a teenager. So I want people, when they look in the mirror, I want them to be happy with what they see, and he wants people to feel good from the inside. Right. So I think it's a good pairing.
Sure.
Well, I have to say, you've been in business for a year in Las Cruces, correct?
Right, correct.
And for a viewing audience out there, I want to make sure that you understand how this business, this A New You, really is a unique combination of some great ideas. So you've been in business for a year.
Right.
You're from Texas.
Absolutely.
And Jodie, you've been here doing your business for?
Just a few months.
So a few months
from
in
California.
skincare. And so you guys came together with this concept, which again, John and I agree, and Amanda, that's a great idea. How does your business really come together to meet the needs of the community?
Well, I started the practice about a year ago with this concept in mind, so it's something that I've always wanted to do. I've been practicing for about 6 years, so I figured it was about time that I get out there and give it a shot. So I feel like, the chiropractic care, the massage therapy, the skin care, we also do weight loss programs, by the way, which is something that we offer. But it's just a good way to help offer the community, almost, if you will, a one-stop shop to be able to come and come for their adjustments, come for their massage, come for their skin care. We do supplements, vitamins, minerals, you name it. We can pretty much offer anything to kind of get you healthier and keep you healthier. And we also offer consultations on diet, how to help you, to eat healthier and just kind of give you a better knowledge of
Wow,
those
well,
types
that's
of
really
things.
full service. I mean, when you talk about, nutrition, diet, health, making sure you're lined up correctly, take care of the muscles with the massage, and then you look beautiful on the outside. And it's really,
Sure.
this is men and women. Obviously, can go in there.
Absolutely.
Men need to take care of themselves.
I just got a chemical peel today.
Let's
as
see.
a
Well, there you
matter of
go.
fact.
There you
Yeah,
go.
So it's great.
Definitely, we like this. Now we're going to take a break in a little bit, but when we come back, we're going to talk about, do you need a referral? How does it work? And maybe we can go over the particulars of how people can come see you, where you're located, what your website is, and definitely this is going to make you, our viewing audience, and our members feel better. And we definitely want to support Dr. Danny and Jodie in your business. We also had a mixer just recently, Toby and Amanda, great job on this. It was a great event. I think everyone had fun. So we're going to go to break. We talked to a few people there at the mixer that were having a great time, and we're going to cut away here in just a few seconds so that you can listen and watch and make sure that you come to our next mixer that we're going to talk about in the next segment as well. Listen, Morrison Supply has a lot of beautiful things for your house, but one of the things that really makes this company is the people. You have a great group of staff, beautiful people inside and out. We have Ana Luedas with us. You are throwing a wonderful mix for the Hispano Chamber of Commerce de Las Cruces. Tell us a little bit about Morrison Supplies and how you feel about the Hispano Chamber of Commerce.
First of all, I'd like to say Morrison is a great company. They've been around since the early 1970s. In more the industrial land. Now they have showrooms throughout Texas, New Mexico, and Oklahoma. And we are one of the footprints of their destination showrooms, which not every showroom is like this. So we're very privileged to have a showroom like this in New Mexico. And we really, really appreciate the support of the Hispano Chamber and the organization. The people are awesome. The networking is great. So I recommend if you want to become a member, please become a member because it's the best way to grow your business. And I have to say too, the event tonight turned out really awesome. And I hope all the food is gone because I don't have to take it home or clean up. So, but anyways, we really appreciate everything that the Hispano has done for us. They're a great organization and they've been a great support of Morrison Supply Company.
Thank you very much, and we absolutely appreciate what you're doing for the community and for the Hispano Chamber of Commerce. Amanda, let's take a quick shot of this, explain what this beautiful piece of really art and appliance is. What is this? Look at that, get a shot of that.
That's something I would like to have in my home. Look at that, that's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little areas to cook on. You know what, I can have my little long comal for my tortillas, and I can be cooking the menudo on one side. I can be making pozole on the other for the people that don't like menudo. I mean, come on. Then I can be making
Hi, I'm John Munoz, and welcome back to the Business Networking Channel, hosted by the Hispano Chamber of Commerce de Las Cruces. We have a special guest with us today from a new you, Dr. Daniel Garcia, Dr. Danny, and Jodie Hale. Sorry, thank you very much.
That's okay.
And of course, I have my beautiful co-hosts here, Toby Rue and Amanda Olivares Cruz, right? Well, we're talking about a new you. We're going to try to get Toby situated here, you know.
Sure.
So we talked a little bit about how to take care of yourself, and really you offer an awesome concept, you know, product here, because you know you really get taken care of from A to Z. And we're talking nutrition, your chiropractic needs, massage, and skin care. And so, you know, Amanda and Toby, often, you know, you guys are looking for a good spa, how to take care of your skin, how to take care of your body. You know, maybe you have some questions for Jodie and Dr. Danny that we could get answered today.
Well, thanks, John. And Amanda and I were talking at the break, and we were just seeing how useful having these services come through. And earlier, Jodie, you had mentioned about the healthcare products. And so I was asking Amanda, you know, how do those things play, and how would your product line look to help people, and what do you think?
Well, I just want to know what kind of products and services she has to offer, so that way I would have a choice to choose from. You know, she'd be the expert to tell me what can I do with my skin. It's oily a lot of the times, but certain times of the year it's dry. How would you help me?
You definitely have combination skin, and we have a cosmeceutical line that we deal with. It's called Image. And it definitely works on the live tissue to restructure the skin. And the treatments that I offer, that I specialize in, I'm a medical trained esthetician. So I specialize in microdermabrasion and chemical peeling. And that exfoliates the skin at different levels. And every skin type, no matter what, whether you have acne, dry skin, oily skin, it doesn't matter. Rosacea, exfoliation is a necessity for all good skincare.
And how often do you recommend doing that exfoliation?
The exfoliation with the microderm and the peeling you can do every 2 weeks. But the products you take home, because the products are 70% of what you're going to achieve with your skin. So that's a very important factor. A lot of people, you know, they'll go to certain stores and buy over-the-counter products that work on the actual dead tissue of the skin, whereas cosmeceutical grade products go down to the structure of the skin and actually work on live tissue. And then that way you can structurally change the skin.
Now, Jodie, back up a little bit. You mentioned the medical, this fancy term. Now, I know we know Dr. Danny has a medical background,
Yes.
but you also, so...
An esthetician.
Okay, so you are...
I'm a state board licensed.
So there's a little bit more specialization there, so you were able to
Yes.
offer more to your clients.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I worked for a doctor in California,
Okay.
and also educated at a couple different colleges there.
Okay.
So not only do I offer treatments, I also offer education. And we are going to provide Skincare 101 once a month, and I'm going to have basic skincare knowledge for people to come in. And, you know, a lot of people don't know what to choose.
Right.
It's like Amanda, if she was to go to the store or wherever,
Right.
it's very confusing out there. There's a lot of different products,
Right.
and you hear a lot of different stories. And so I would just like to educate a lot of people as well.
Well, I just wanted to bring that up. As obviously, you're very talented. You have a background in this. There's a lot of science involved here.
Yes, there is.
But I think when you get down and you peel all those things away, it's about feeling good on the outside, being able to look in the mirror, being very confident in what you're able to provide. And sometimes, let's face it, you know, sometimes the skin things that we go through, it really puts a barrier on us to go out and feel that confidence. So, Jodie, you come in and you work with people, and so they contract with you, you set up appointments. How does that go?
They come in for a consultation, and we do offer free consultations. And then once I've done the consultation, we can establish, you know, what plan we're going to go with, you know, whether they're going to do a peel or a microderm and a peel. It just depends on if they have acne issues or what we're looking at.
So it's
it just
really
depends.
a one-on-one
It is. It's very
consultation, customized to individual
Yes.
needs.
Yes.
That sounds really good, Amanda.
I know. I need to find some time to do that, because honestly, I'll just go to the store and I'll just pick out whatever I
Right.
can. And so just
And definitely here with the elements too. I mean,
Exactly.
this is a very arid area,
It is.
very sunny. So definitely we need
is.
to take care of our
Sunblock.
skins. Yeah.
Sunblock.
Here. Well,
so
good.
we
So,
can get chiropractic care,
right.
and then after you get adjusted, you can get into that deep massage.
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to be feeling good on the inside, and then you go visit Jodie, and you're going to look beautiful on the outside. Perfect.
It's a combo.
It's
you
a
know.
new you.
It's
It's
a
a
you.
new you.
Exactly.
Great concept.
Okay.
John, we're fixing to go to commercial, I think, and I wanted to make a quick shout out to our members out there. We do have our Hispanic Chamber of Commerce golf tournament coming up, and we also have a middle school recognition program in November. We want to make sure our members are aware of that. And we also today our Hispanic Chamber of Commerce was given an award with Roberto's regarding our participation with the census. And
Exactly.
we had a great time with that. We really supported our community. And so I want to let our members